Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be a little lighter on car content and a little bit more in the cleaning this place up. I've got this old set of shelves back behind me, got all kinds of stuff on here. I use it to keep my short pieces of metal on, wood blocks on, got some just random stuff that it seems to be a catch-all. And then this corner back here is definitely, you can't access it, so there's all kinds of junk piled up back there. And I have my paint booth wall here, the temporarily permanent wall. I guess it's going to stay there. It's been there for probably 10 years now, so not really able to just rip it down. I've used it to hang a bunch of stuff on, so I'm planning on it staying for a while. I've decided to get rid of this shelf so that I have access back here. I have a piece of pipe that's actually set in the concrete. I think I may cut that off. Still have the pipe in the concrete and have to build some kind of receiver to go in it, but get rid of that because it's just another spot to hang junk off of. Try to get this where I have this section of wall behind all this stuff where I can put some shelving. Now, I didn't film it last night, but I came up with these shelves a while back and they're pretty nice. This is 8 feet long. It's not tight yet. It's just kind of all put together that you can see. There were some big cracks. These things were all falling apart, but hey, the price was right. Free, you can't beat free. So I've got them stuck together here, so I knew how long this was going to be. I've got the possibility to be 11 feet long, but I think I'm going to leave just these two sections. That's 8 feet, and then we'll be able to go up here, which is additional storage space, and get rid of some of my junky old wooden stuff that was just barely hung together up there, and put some nice shelves up there so I can be a little bit more organized with my projects. What I like to do is be able to tear things down and store the parts, because man, you get a car or a truck all taken apart, there's tons of little stuff. I mean, I've got shelving above my toolbox there with crates full of truck parts pretty much, because that's what I'm doing a lot of right now. But there are 35 Chevy parts, all kinds of stuff just stuck back, plus all the tools and the wiring, you guys understand. You got a ton of stuff you've got to keep up with. So today is just shop cleanup day. You gotta have some guineas running around to eat ticks and whatnot. see, it's getting a little dark. Sun's already set. Neighbors are riding the Yerf dog around in the yard, making all kind of racket over there. So the space is much better utilized here. Got room to clean up more and even grow this space. Plus these shelves over here. I mean, these are going to be awesome when they're all done. Get everything. I'll be able to put parts for cars here. And then the next project is going to be up there. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. And hey, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.